Hi guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Maya.
And we're here with PrettyLittleThing to try out the perfect self-tan today.
And we've got the expert's guide on how to get the perfect self-tan, so we'll show you how to prep, apply, top up and remove.
So yeah, we're just going to try out each step now and let you guys know what we think. So guys, we're going to start off with prepping our skin. So the first product that we're going to be using today is the Perfect Legs 100% Natural Scrub from This Work. So it's this here.
So it says that you need to massage gently to circular motions into wet or dry skin several minutes before rinsing.
Okay, so should we just try this now? So it says on here, it's a buttery exfoliating balm with pink Himalayan salt and uplifting essential oils for a natural body glow. We love a glow, so this is great. Okay, I've got some, right, I'm gonna put it straight on my leg and it said rub in a circular motion, yeah?
Right.
Oh, it feels really nice. I can definitely feel it like exfoliating.
Yeah, me too.
It's got like salt parts in it, hasn't it? So it says mineral rich Himalayan sea salts suspended in a blend of blackcurrant, sweet almond and what's that say? Cranberry oils? Cram oils? I don't know what that is. Naturally exfoliates and restores moisture to dry, lackluster limbs. I hate that word, limbs. You need to say skin. Skin. I actually really like this product. What do you think about it?
Well, I feel like it's really moisturising.
Yeah, I agree. Actually smells really nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells like a spa.
I know, it smells like it's expensive. So the next product we're going to try is the Isle of Paradise Prep It Self-Tan Priming Spray.
So this time we need to spritz onto dry skin before tan application. Then we need to allow it to dry and prepare for your best tan ever.
Okay, so I'm just going to go straight in and spray it onto my leg. Oh, it sprays out really easily. Do you want to try some? It feels really smooth, this, like it rubs in really nicely.
Well, it says that if you use this, you get 3 days extra tan, and it says that you have a richer, deeper, longer lasting glow.
Oh, that's good. So maybe it just makes your skin like more moisturised before you apply tan.
Yeah, maybe. Don't you think it smells like perfume?
Yeah, it smells so nice.
If I was on a night out, I'd spray it.
It also feels like really moisturising. Like it's a nice product, isn't it? Don't you think?
Yeah.
Not like too greasy or anything.
Actually, glowy.
I'm glowy. I actually use the Isle of Paradise products though. I actually really like
It's
it.
good.
Yeah, really nice.
Well, out of the both prepping products, my favourite was the scrub because now I feel like my skin's really nice and soft. So I feel like it would work better than the spray.
No, I agree, but I do feel like it helps doing the exfoliator first and then going with that. Because after the exfoliator, my skin actually felt really soft,
Yeah,
and then that
me
just went on so nicely, don't you think?
Yeah, and leave your tan won't be patchy with the scrub.
Yeah, exactly. No, I definitely think both products are good before you tan. I don't know about you, I like to like shave and exfoliate before I even put a tan on.
Yeah.
So like I feel like the exfoliating part is very important.